Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everybody, Olivia here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is, what are the taboos I need to be careful of in Chinese culture? The biggest taboo in Chinese culture would be to say any word that sounds similar to say, death, or hong, evil or unlucky, say or hong, especially on happy occasions such as New Year, birthday, or weddings. Let's get into more details. You've probably heard about the lucky and unlucky numbers in Cantonese. Let's see what they are. In Cantonese, the number 4, say, sounds very similar to say, death, say and say. Therefore, this number is considered bad luck. Many buildings do not have the 4th, 14th, 24th floors, and most people would avoid getting a phone number with 4 in it. On the other hand, the number 8, bad, sounds like fat, which means prosper and fortune, bad and fat. Therefore, this number is considered auspicious or good luck. Moreover, 18, sat-fat, sounds like sat-fat, meaning get rich for sure. And 28 sounds like easy to get fortune, yi sat-bat or ya-bat, yi-fat. So everyone believes that these numbers will bring good luck. Let's see if other than 4 and 8, there are any significance to other numbers. Number 3, Sam, is also considered good luck as it sounds similar to sang, meaning lively and alive, sang and sam. Also, the number 6, lok, is a good number as it has the same pronunciation as lok, which means wealth and blessings, lok. On the other hand, the number 7, tat, is a bad number because it sounds similar to a swear word, and also the 7th month of the Chinese calendar is the ghost month, in which ghosts and spirits are believed to come to our world from the lower realm. Okay, let's see some other curious facts about taboos in Chinese culture. When we're talking about an empty room, house, car, etc., we should avoid using the word hong empty, because it sounds the same as hong, which means evil and unlucky. In this case, we will use the antonym, gut, which means fortunate and propitious. So for empty rooms, instead of saying hong fang, we'll say gut fang. When we say the room is empty, we say gan fang gut zhao instead of gan fang hong zhao, which is a little bad luck. So gan fang gut zhao. In Hong Kong, where we can auction for cars' license plates, those with the lucky numbers are always sold at a very high bidding price. For instance, in 2016, a license plate with the number 28 was sold for US 2.3 million. So how was it? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. See you next time. Hatsikin!